Oh, there's a lens. There's a fingerprint on it.
No! Ah! A lot of
Yeah,
water.
bro, I've got some good ideas. What did you think of the ones that you saw?
They were terrible. I hated them. Freaking dimwit. Like,
So what are we doing?
Fixing this piece of junk. That's why you don't buy Suzuki, bro.
Yeah, Honda.
Totally dry.
Is it?
Look at that.
Oh, holy moly. Yeah, that's
Ain't
dry.
none- ain't
Oh,
none
it's because
in
I
there.
drained it last time.
Did
I
you?
thought it was bad. I thought it was bad gas.
I hope I don't spill.
You sure you don't want help?
I got it. I spilled.
Dead battery. Yikes.
Yeah, dead battery right now. Charge it up, and then we should have known.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We shouldn't.
I never put it on Strickler. That's my bad. Okay.
Trickle my nickel.
Say it again.
Dig! Dig!
Did you find it?
I did!
He found it. Let's go. Oh my.
A little tap.
Oh.
And it works.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's a starter. The servo. This, I don't know what it's called. But that is having a little trouble right now.
So what do we do? Dude, this thing looks sketchy.
It does look super sketchy. Is it on?
I want to get closer to it.
It is. That one's more sketchy than this one.
How?
But the fact that this one has more power is scary.
Let's go.
You know what? I'm going to start it from over here.
It says it's got gas in it too.
Why wouldn't it start? Air, fuel, spark. That's all we need.
We can clean out the air filter if we want, but I don't think that's the issue.
Let's try one more time.
Ooh.
Okay, it wants to start. It has air, fuel, and spark, but I think it's not enough power right now. Let's just let it.
But that still doesn't negate the fact that we used to have problems with it, remember?
Yeah, it still has problems, but just throw this on charge. I think it should be charged a good amount, so let's plug this back in, set it to start. Ow!
What was that?
A stick.
All right, ready?
Set it to start.
This thing's on now?
And oh, I turned it off. It was already on. Okay, cut off
for a
though.
second.
There we go.
Let's go.
That didn't sound good though. All my
Sound...
stuff is still open over here. Well, since it's off of the start right now, it's probably. Oh. Smells weird.
It's probably just because it's old gas. I mean, it hasn't been run for like a couple months.
That's not good. That's not good. Look.
Remember, that's what was happening last time. Remember how it was dying
It's
out?
a carburetor issue.
I can never find the car when I was cleaning it. I was trying to clean it.
Yeah, it's a carb issue.
Better.
It sounds better.
Hopefully it doesn't. Remember how it would die off after like 30 minutes?
Look.
You want to rip it around?
Yeah, throw that seat on. Ugh. Why am I not going? Yeah, it still feels pretty bad. Yeah, that's bad, bro.
That's not right.
That's not right, bro.
Full throttle right now?
That was full throttle. throttle, it fully cuts.
Remember, that's what I was dealing with last
That's
time.
what happened on my CRF on the 125. It was the carb.
So
You have to get it jetted.
11%.
I have a couple batteries charging on the kitchen counter by that Keurig.
Yeah, I'll just plug one.
Finally got this frick off.
It's pink.
Say that again. Huh?
I think it's this fuel injector.
What'd you just do?
I got the bolt out with this bolt extractor kit, and most likely, since this is fuel injected, not exactly carbureted, it has a carburetor, but it's not like carbureted with it. Since it's fuel injected, it's probably just the fuel injector. So, air compressor. We're gonna do it the old school way.
Blow it out?
Mm-hmm. There's probably just some stuff in there.
Blow
it? Yo. This guy.
That's
bro.
crazy.
We're still gonna clean out the carb. And
I thought we already cleaned. Oh, we haven't cleaned the entire
we haven't
thing.
like cleaned it.
Right. Okay, cool. That's next steps.
Yes.
All right. Starter fluid.
How it works. That's how you fix the four-wheeler. Oh yeah. That's how you fix a four-wheeler right there. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Nice. How does it drive fast?
We shall see. Down, down, say that, down, down,
Do the thank you. Do the thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't think I've ever done any videos with this. I haven't done any like recording with this thing yet.
You have.
Have I?
Yeah, you like when you picked it up, but unreleased.
It's belt driven. I want to get a thing on the chain.
And you can change the gear ratios. Is it
I
belt
wanna
like
put you on a
CVT?
chain. CVT, what does that mean?
So basically, with that, that's like the faster you go, the more the chain stretches, because it's basically like those things. So it makes it like one long gear. So the faster you keep going, the higher your gear ratio goes.
That's so bad. Come on. Huss.
It's just this. Are you holding it still?
Yep.
Now let go. Now give it full throttle. Hold it.
Okay, should we go ahead and push this thing back? It's off to tomorrow.
Yeah.
That stinks.
And the four-wheeler.
Huh?
And the four-wheeler.
And the four-wheeler. Alright, so next day. Forgot the tripod, but whatever. I think I look back at the footage, I think it's supposed to be like this. Hopefully I got the switches right. This guy up, all of these down. Hopefully that's right. I don't know, because it's not starting. So a die with a choke got put to run. I should have let it run for a bit longer, baby. That's good news. Come on, you're just going. Come on. Every time I flip it to start, it kills itself. What the fucking happened, dog?
If this catches on fire right now, we're gonna subscribe to the video.
That's not right! What's wrong with it? That's gotta be something wrong.
Are you all the way up?
Yes.
Are you mashing the throttle all the way?
Pretty much. You gonna give it?
Out white, then a party.